Welcome to JapaneseCarTrade.com. This video is about how to make auction inquiry at JCT. Access over 1 million used cars every month at Japan Auto Auctions. Send auto auction inquiry at JapaneseCarTrade.com. Click on Auto Auction Inquiry from Inquiry menu. Fill the auction inquiry form with details like make, model, year, approximate budget, message. Fill contact details like name, country, destination port, email, Skype, phone, buyer type, individual or dealer, and press the Submit Inquiry button. Thank you for your inquiry. JCT will forward your inquiry to hundreds of trusted auction agents in Japan. Compare the commission charged by different exporters on purchasing vehicle from auction. Get attractive deals and discounts from exporters on joining their auction membership. Special deals for overseas dealers and importers buying regularly from auction. No commission, no transaction fee, no hidden cost. Free, safe and secure. High quality, new and used Japan cars available on sale. Visit our website now, JapaneseCarTrade.com. We are associated with Jumvia, Safe Trade, Sludge, SLBCJ. Follow us on social media. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.